Having smart motorised blinds on your windows is a nice luxury, but until recently they've been quite expensive and usually required made-to-measure blinds or professional installation. The new SwitchBot Roller Shades aim to change that. It's an adjustable smart blind that you fit yourself with no need to order a custom-made blind. Before ordering, simply measure your window frame opening as shown on the website and then order the unit that is closest to your measurements. There's only two colour options, white or grey. I went with the grey. You can add an optional solar panel to recharge your internal battery, as well as the SwitchBot Smart Hub 2 to enable third-party control for devices like Alexa and Google Assistant. You can create groups of up to 8 blinds combined. So here's how I installed mine. First of all, unpack all of the parts and install the SwitchBot app on your phone. Remove the plastic end cap from the non-motor side of the blind and then slide the fabric roll out the head roll. Open the SwitchBot app, tap the plus icon and select Add Device and then choose Roller Shade. On the motor end of the blind, press and hold the pairing button until the small white indicator LED starts flashing. Back on the app, tap Connect Device. Wait for the app to connect to the blind and then give it a name and choose or create the room where it will be installed. Next, you just need to adjust the headrail. Decide whether you're mounting the blind inside the window recess like I am here or outside the window frame. Temporarily reinsert the end bracket you removed earlier, but don't screw it back in yet. Transfer that measurement to your headrail, loosen the adjustment screws, slide the headrail until it matches your required width, and then tighten the screws again. Now adjust the bottom rail so it matches the width of the headrail you've just set. Take the positioning cards from the accessory pack, peel off the backing tape and attach them to the red alignment marks on the bottom rail. Use the bottom rail of the positioning cards now attached to mark the fixing holes on the window. Drill the holes, insert wall plugs if required and then fit the mounting brackets. Now take the fabric roll, making sure the plastic end pieces are still fitted, and line it up with the headrail. Wrap the supplied cutting guide tape around the end of the fabric, overlapping the end of the headrail as instructed. Then slide the fabric roll back onto the motor. Take the supplied fabric cutter and screw it into the end cap.
I think I might have to screw that in, but I'll just double check.
Back on the app, select Cut Fabric. The roller shade will begin to slowly rotate. As it turns, gradually tighten the screw on the cutter until it can go no further. The cutter will trim the fabric to the connect width automatically. Once it's finished, remove the cutter and remove the fabric from the blind and disregard the trim section. Slide the fabric back off the motor and unroll it completely. Loosen the screws on the top fabric clamp, reposition the fabric end so it matches the newly adjusted width, and then tighten the clamp back up again. Then just roll the blind back up, slide it back onto the motor and refit the original end bracket. Now staple the supplied nylon strip along the bottom of the blind with the supplied stapler and trim off any excess material. Slide the bottom rail over the nylon strip until it's fully seated. With everything fully assembled, just clip the completed blind into the mounting brackets you fitted earlier. Connect the controller and the solar panel, and finally return to the app and run the calibration process to set the fully open and fully closed positions. That's it, your SwitchBot roller blind is now installed and ready for use. If you already have or have chosen the SwitchBot Hub 2, you can connect the blind to it and add smart home integration, allowing you to control it with voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, as well as create automations without having to open the SwitchBot app. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.